When creating templates and traps in Monarch Data Prep Studio's Excel worksheet design, you may find that there are certain rows you would like to include or exclude from the data to be extracted from your worksheet. This may be accomplished via an exclusion template or by using the Include Row or Exclude Row features. First off, to illustrate how an exclusion template works, let's have a closer look at this worksheet. This contains a column for the type of chlorine residual, and the valid values for this are F, C, and T according to the legend below. However, some rows contain an X. Let's say that we do not want to include rows with those invalid values in our extraction. Creating an exclusion template will allow us to specify rules that will exclude what we do not wish to be captured by our detail, append, and footer templates. To begin, choose Exclusion from the New Template dropdown. Next, let's set a trap on column G where we have the type of residual. Now edit the trap's cell value rule such that we exclude rows that contain an X in this column. Notice that the rows with an X, rows with a date equal to 4, 10, and 11 are now red. This means that these will be excluded from the rows to be captured. True enough, in the grid below, we do not have rows for these days. Let's try out the Exclude Row and Include Row features in this next report. Suppose we used auto-define table to capture our detail and got this. We are missing the row with the ABC pair classification, and the summary row was captured as part of the detail as well. To address that, we need to refine our trap so that we get all the detail rows and nothing else. We can manually edit the traps created through auto-define table, but in our case, let's try the Exclude and Include Row features. To start, we want the first detail item in the worksheet to be captured. Select that and click on Include Row. We now have the row for the ABC pair classification. However, the report title along with a few extra rows were included. This time we use Exclude Row on the report title, the blank rows, and the remaining extra row. Exclude Row adjusts the traps so that the selected rows will not be extracted along with the other detail rows. Finally, let's exclude the summary row. Now define the headers, and we're done. We've easily captured what we need without any missing or extra records.